so I'm just here to do some makeup and maybe talk about a few things. And I'm sorry if I'm like looking down, my products are like lower than I am, so yeah. I'm just gonna take my Fenty concealer and start with my eyes. We're just gonna jump right on in. If you guys watch my live, that's the video before this one, because I'll probably put this up right after, yeah. Then you would know I've been trying to film this video for a while now. Whatever. Ran into a few obstacles, but we're here now. So that's all that matters. Okay. I have a bad habit of not waiting until I'm not out of the frame to finish talking, but whatever. So yeah, I'm trying to think of like what to talk about. This is why I don't ever do talk through videos. Like I don't know what to talk about. I should write down topics. I have some good video ideas. I just need to execute them. So yeah. It's cold, guys. It's been raining. I'm hoping it doesn't rain tomorrow. Tomorrow is my niece's first birthday party. And yeah, that should be fun. I'm trying to I was just thinking like filming made me think like should I vlog that, but I was like ugh, I don't know if I really want to. I'm just gonna take my Morphe 350 palette and pick up like the brightest orange in it. I've been doing like super dramatic looks lately. I remember when I only used to do like natural looks. That kind of went out the window, as you can see. Okay, I feel like this background is kind of taking away from the eyeshadow. If I zoom you guys in a little bit. There we go. So, are we gonna talk about the fact that Jacquees and Dreezy are together? Like, they're so cute though. I'm happy for him. You know what? No tea, no shade, but is Jacquees taller than Dreezy? I really want to know. I always like it, like if you know me, I always like tell people I want to marry Jacquees. It's just like I just like his voice, you know? Him as a person, I don't really know because I don't know him, but I'm a major fan of his voice. He'd sing the ABCs and I would put that shit on iTunes or my Apple Music. And then I'm just gonna go in my Juvia's Place palette and take like a red color and put that I don't really know, maybe all over. We'll see. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, yeah, this is going all over the lid. I'm gonna move on to my eyeliner. So this is what the eyes are looking like. The lashes are pretty dramatic, so you can't really tell, but there's like eyeliner with glitter inside. So yeah, that's really cool. I accidentally put these eyelashes on the wrong eye, but it's okay because they still look cute. So I'm about to do my face. I was just about to prime my face. I was like, why am I priming my face? I'm literally about to take this off because it's like 11 o'clock at night, maybe even midnight. So the foundation might be a little bit too light for me, but who cares? I probably just put on way too much, but who cares? Oh yeah, we're about to be casket ready. Put way too much of this on. Okay, I'm gonna have to mix inside the other color. That's the thing about this NYX foundation. The difference between freaking the first color I put on was caramel. This color is cappuccino. And there's nothing between the two. Do y'all see the difference? Like, come on. Because I'm between these two. This cappuccino is too dark. And as you guys saw, caramel is too light. So it's like, why is that such a big jump, you know? Oh, I look so crazy. I guess I'm gonna use my MAC concealer. Fuck me up, right? I'm gonna take my NYX bronzer and bronze.
Respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Find out what it means to me.
Camera, I look snizzed. Look beat. I'm gonna get some setting spray and just kind of like set all of those powders that we just put all over us. Sorry if I'm like whisper talking. Everybody in my house is asleep right now because like I said, it's kind of late. So yeah, we're gonna move on to highlight. Oh my god, look at that highlight. And I'm using the Bare Minerals eyeshadow. I got back into that. Cause like, just look at that. Oh, snap. My highlights are always so anticlimactic on camera. My computer or my camera does not want me to be great. And then since we're just going all out in this video anyways, I'm gonna take like a little detail brush, spray it with some setting spray, and then take the highlight that I used to highlight my face and put it in the inner corner. I like the way that this look turned out. I was just freestyling, you know. Like I said, I'm trying to get back into makeup and stuff like that. So this is what I ended up with. I'm really hoping that you guys can see like the colors like on camera because they're really pretty. It's just like a red, and then this glitter eyeliner is so pretty. So yeah, now it's time for the hard part, taking pictures. The struggle is so real, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I will see you guys very soon with my next one. Deuces.